Planning a visit to a city in Spain or Portugal is no mean task. In fact, many people find it overwhelming. You have to decide which sites are worth visiting, work out how to organize a sensible itinerary around your choices, find out how to go from one place to another. The list is endless. The type of research you need to carry out to satisfy that need of information takes a whole lot of time, and on top of that, if you're not familiar with the destination, it doesn't always produce the best results. Hola, ¿qué tal? Hello, I am Tony Galvez from Road Trip Spain and Portugal, where we help you plan the perfect trip with practical information and insider tips. Today, we are proud to introduce you to a new member of our travel resources family, the project Travel Guides Spain and Portugal, where we come to the rescue of those seeking a full immersion into the most important Spanish and Portuguese cities. And we do so with our collection of electronic guides, designed and crafted to help you save both time and money. On our collection of self-guided walking tours, we have put all our knowledge about the cities of Spain and Portugal to create optimized itineraries ready to use that will save you hours of research. You will get to know the cities in depth, and on top of that, you will get to taste the local delicacies through our food recommendations integrated along the walking tours. Yes, food is such an important part of the Spain and Portugal experience that we felt including important food stops along the walking tours was absolutely essential. Getting your bearings is always fundamental, and all our walking tours, as well as precise instructions on how to go from one place to another, include an online map with all the places visited along the tour. On your smartphone, you can open the online map easily with just the one touch to help you find your bearings. With each walking tour, you get 2 PDF files, one in A4 format you can easily read on your computer, laptop or tablet, and one file adapted to fit the screen of your smartphone. Head to Travel Guides Spain and Portugal, where you will find our initial set of travel guides. We are launching with 10 walking tours in total. 4 are dedicated to Madrid, 4 to Barcelona, and we also have one full day tour around Toledo and another one around wonderful Zaragoza. In the coming months, we plan to add new walking tours to the list in Madrid, Barcelona, but also other important cities in Spain. And our first walking tours in Portugal dedicated to Lisbon. So you had the videos and there are many more to come. And now for the cost of a drink and some tapas, you can share with us our passion for Spain and Portugal, guiding you through the cities of the Iberian Peninsula with the help of our walking tours. We will be delighted to be your virtual guides.